Hi, this is Miss George. I'm just wanting to share with you a little bit of information while you think through your decision to enroll your student in 100% online learning for the fall semester. I wanted to give you a little bit of information to help guide your choice. The platform that your student would be using is called Courseware, and it's powered by Edmentum. Your student would access this each day by going into their class link just like they do when they're in school. Normally they choose something like Google Classroom, but to get to these classes they would choose Courseware. And in there they will see messages from their teacher. They will see the different courses that they're enrolled in. Those courses would be English Language Arts, Social Studies, Science, and Math only. Your student in 100% online would not have any elective courses, and we just want to make sure that parents understand that before they make a decision. Once they are enrolled in their 4 courses, their instruction would look something like this that you see on my screen. It's going to require that they sit down each day and try to keep a routine or a schedule that you guys establish on your own. I'm sorry, it's been a long day. They would want to have their notebook and paper so that they can participate in the learning module and not just watch it. It's important that they know to not just click, 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 click all the buttons and try to take the quizzes, but that they really sit down and try to learn page by page. And so this is a 6th grade math tutorial. There's an introduction, and then there's a little bit of reading to introduce them to the concept. And as they click through,
ratios, Priscilla's grandmother's recipe,
they can have the reading passages read aloud to them. There may be some videos.
When dealing with numbers, oftentimes we deal with quantities which can relate to each other.
And they would continue and take notes all the way through. They have access to guided notes that you could print for them at home and let them fill in as they do the lesson tutorial. So if the video is playing, they can write notes. If they're just reading, they can stop reading page by page and look on this guided sheet to see if there are any blanks that they can fill in. There are learning activities, but the directions are going to be ones that they need to read carefully and then follow directions to do. There is going to be quite a bit that they need to slowly read and write and practice on their own. And so I just want parents to understand what that looks like. It may feel very much like what our old textbooks used to be like, except it's a little different because there's some interactive opportunities for them. But what I do want everyone to understand is that this platform does not include a teacher who would be talking directly to your student on the other end. Of course, there are online facilitators, and that just means that they're going to make sure your student has access to the next lesson module when they're ready. If they struggle or are not moving forward in the program, that facilitator will go in and reset lessons or assign them a lesson that is a little less complicated so that they can try again. If they struggle with any quizzes or anything like that, that facilitator would unlock it when they're ready to try again. And the facilitator will reach out to parents as needed to make sure that that they have access to support, that they are aware of the tutoring opportunities online in the evenings, and that they are able to work through whatever the obstacle is as they move through the program. So I just wanted to paint this picture for you all and show you exactly what it is that you're considering. If you decide that your student is ready to handle something like this and you would like to enroll them in 100% online, please give us a call at the school and we will help you. Thank you for taking the time. to look at this short video. And if you have any further questions, we look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.